Welcome to our journey into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Today, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative force driving change across various sectors. From healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing our world in extraordinary ways. But how did we get here? Let's take a step back in history. The origins of AI trace back to the early days of computing, where visionaries like Alan Turing laid the groundwork for machines to mimic human intelligence. Fast forward to the present, and AI systems now accomplish tasks once thought impossible. Whether diagnosing diseases, predicting financial trends, or even autonomously driving cars, AI has truly come of age. In an increasingly data-driven world, AI's ability to analyze and utilize vast amounts of information is enhancing efficiencies, improving decision-making, and unlocking new opportunities for innovation. As we delve deeper into AI's capabilities, you'll discover how these advancements are reshaping industries and our everyday lives. Stay tuned as we explore AI's remarkable potential and journey from its beginnings to its current state of sophistication. Let's embark on this exploration together. AI is revolutionizing healthcare in impressive ways. From diagnostics to treatment planning and patient care, AI is making incredible strides. Imagine a world where life-threatening diseases are detected early through advanced AI algorithms, providing doctors with precise diagnostic tools. AI isn't stopping there. Treatment planning has become more personalized and effective, using AI to analyze patient data and suggest optimal treatment paths. This same technology enhances patient care by constantly monitoring vital signs and predicting potential health issues before they become critical. These advancements are just the beginning. Let's dive deeper into how AI reshapes the healthcare landscape and explore some groundbreaking innovations marking this new era. As we move forward, you'll see AI's transformative power at every step, improving lives and pushing modern medicine's boundaries. In the dynamic world of finance, AI is creating profound transformations. At the forefront, AI enhances fraud detection by swiftly identifying anomalies and potential threats, safeguarding assets with unprecedented accuracy. AI-driven trading algorithms revolutionize how trades are executed, processing vast amounts of data at lightning speed for more informed decisions, translating into greater profitability and lower risks for investors. On the customer service front, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants set new benchmarks by providing instant, personalized responses, ensuring timely support and enhancing customer experience. Our exploration continues as we delve into AI's revolutionary role in finance, just one part of a broader wave of innovations reshaping various industries. Stay tuned as we uncover more about AI's transformative impact. At the intersection of AI and robotics, we witness a revolution reshaping industries and daily life. AI drives cutting-edge industrial automation, making factories smarter and more efficient. Imagine service robots equipped with AI, seamlessly assisting in healthcare, hospitality, and even household chores, offering a glimpse into a world where robotics truly serve humanity. Then, there are autonomous vehicles, one of the most tangible applications of AI in robotics. These self-driving cars are not just a futuristic dream, they are navigating our streets, learning from their environment, and promising a safer, more efficient transportation system. From factory floors to our homes and streets, AI-powered robots are integral to this technological leap. Each advancement brings us closer to a future where AI and robotics work hand in hand to dramatically improve our quality of life and operational efficiency. As we progress, we'll explore more groundbreaking examples and dive deeper into how AI continues to transform various sectors. Stay tuned as we uncover the next fascinating chapter in AI's journey. AI is reshaping education in ways we never imagined. Imagine a classroom where each student receives a unique learning experience tailored to their needs. That's AI in personalized learning, adapting lessons to suit individual strengths and weaknesses. AI is also a significant boon for educators by automating administrative tasks. No longer bogged down by paperwork, teachers can focus more on teaching and less on tedious chores. Let's not forget content creation. AI's capabilities allow it to generate engaging and interactive educational materials, redefining how content is delivered and consumed. As we move forward, you'll see that AI's influence in education is just the tip of the iceberg. In the realm of entertainment, AI is making remarkable strides, transforming how we consume and create content. One of the most impactful areas is content recommendation. AI algorithms analyze our viewing habits, making precise suggestions that cater to our tastes, enhancing our viewing experience. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also venturing into content creation, from generating music to writing scripts, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. And in gaming, AI is revolutionizing the entire landscape. Advanced artificial intelligence powers non-player characters, making games more immersive and interactive than ever. These advancements are just the beginning, as AI continues to redefine entertainment. As we move forward, you'll see how AI reshapes transportation and logistics, streamlining processes, and improving efficiency. Stay tuned. AI is revolutionizing transportation in 3 significant ways. First, in traffic management, AI optimizes traffic flow, reducing congestion and travel times. Smart systems analyze real-time data, making our commutes smoother and more efficient. Next, AI drives the evolution of autonomous vehicles by providing the necessary intelligence for these cars to navigate safely and efficiently. Self-driving cars are no longer a distant dream, they are becoming an integral part of our transportation landscape. Finally, in logistics, AI streamlines operations from warehouse management to delivery routes. Advanced algorithms predict demand, optimize inventory levels, and plan the fastest delivery paths, ensuring goods reach their destinations on time. As we move forward, you'll see how AI continues to transform our daily lives, making transportation more efficient, safer, and accessible. Let's explore the next groundbreaking advancements in AI. In the realm of customer service, AI is ushering in a new era of efficiency and personalization. At the forefront are AI chatbots, tirelessly assisting customers at all hours, solving queries instantly, and providing seamless interactions. Beyond chatbots, AI algorithms revolutionize customer support by swiftly analyzing data, predicting problems before they arise, and offering tailored solutions. And it's not just about solving issues, AI is elevating customer experiences to new heights. By learning from each interaction, AI provides personalized recommendations and experiences that make customers feel valued and understood. As we move forward, you'll see how AI enhances customer service and transforms entire industries. Stay with us as we explore these groundbreaking advancements. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, we encounter substantial challenges that push the boundaries of our understanding and capabilities. Ethical concerns loom large, compelling us to question the moral implications of our innovations. Meanwhile, technical challenges continue to test the limits of what AI can achieve. From data privacy issues to biases in algorithms, these obstacles are significant. However, these very challenges serve as catalysts for breakthroughs. Recent advancements in neural networks, machine learning, and quantum computing are turning hurdles into opportunities for progress. This relentless pursuit of solutions underscores the resilience and creativity driving the AI industry. Stay with us as we journey into the promising future that awaits, built on the foundations of today's groundbreaking work. Up next, we'll explore the visionary perspectives and future possibilities of AI. The story doesn't end here, it's only just beginning. Join us as we look ahead to what AI could become. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of AI holds immense potential. Predictions for AI are vast, covering groundbreaking applications we can only begin to imagine. From revolutionary advancements in healthcare and finance to transforming transportation and education, AI is poised to lead us into a new age of innovation. AI's role in society will be integral, influencing every aspect of our daily lives. It promises to create smarter cities, more efficient industries, and unparalleled advancements in every field. The journey ahead is filled with endless possibilities and exciting challenges. As we envision the future, one thing is certain: AI is set to shape our world in unprecedented ways. Embrace the changes, delve into the possibilities, and prepare for an AI-driven future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI's capabilities to date. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay excited about what lies ahead in the world of artificial intelligence.